Good day to you all. Our today's topic is your house full of water in the dream. What does it mean when your house is full of water in the dream? When your house full of water in the dream, what does that mean? So we first of all know about water. In dreams, water usually symbolizes life because it is a vital force that all living beings need, and some call it flow of life. Dream about house full of water is a symbol of something that is beneath you. You may be honoring some victory, success, or accomplishments. Dream about house full of water is a sign that you will progress in your business and your ability to navigate through life. The dream, your house full of water signifies your aspirations, your goals, and your ambitions. Water overflowing when you dream about water overflowing in your house, it means that there is a good chance that something in your personal home or family life is stressing you out and it's getting worse. When you dream about a a flooded house. A flood in your dream might represent a troubled mind and overwhelming emotions or challenges that you may be struggling in life. It could also indicate guilt, hidden fears, or an anticipation of a bad event, especially if floods are regarded negatively in your culture or beliefs. So when you see your house full of water, know it um, um, that is a sign that something good, success is about to happen in your life. That you will progress in your business. Please click on the follow button, like, comment, and share. Click on the follow button. Share this video. Thank you so much.